So I kind of compare the Tour de France riders. It's not easy. It's so hard, but that's not really the hardest part. I think their pacing is insane. I will buy one Pocari. Stickers. Actually, during autumn or fall, this right here, this road cannot be uh, ridden a bicycle. It's because too many people trying to take pictures here. Good day, everyone. So today I will be riding a 120 kilometers and a 1,800 meters of elevation, and I'll be heading at the Toyota City. And so please enjoy the view, and I will update you at every 20 kilometers. So Jane. So today I will be maximizing my aerodynamic position because it's really windy, and please enjoy the view. So this is my view going to Toyota. Very beautiful. And I am conserving energy as much as I can so that I still have energy or legs for the climb, which is 1,800. So, and it's not starting yet. So I will just update you after 20 kilometers of ride. Dewa, matane. So I was astonished by the beauty of this shrine. This one right here. So many big trees. And I think this is old. Look at the trees. Yeah, that's just one of the many shrines here in Japan as we go to our journey. So I have a brief stop here at some a park, Koen. Look at this, because it has a public restroom. So I'm amazed by the cleanliness of the restroom. As you can see here, there is handlebar for like Ujisan or old man, and the for washing our hands. Yes. So I hope the Philippines will have someday a park wherein people can play and can rest and have a public restroom restrooms that are clean, so we can really see how respectful the Japanese people are in terms of cleanliness and in terms of their attitude. So yeah, matane. So I'm happy that the weather today is not so hot, but I think it's starting to rain. I hope that it will not continue to rain, because I don't have any raincoat. and I'm far from home. So yeah, so this is the cycle path or cycle lane of Japan, or the sidewalk. I am at the sidewalk because it's so big, and cyclists can ride in the sidewalk if there is a symbol of road bike and child, meaning to say together it is okay. Yes, it's raining, so I hope it will not get stronger. So I will show you how high-tech Japan is during planting rice. This, so they have the machine, and so the left side they're planting, and the right side it is already, I think by next week it will be harvested. Look at that. So you have the very cool. In the Philippines, in my place, we still plant the rice manually. So I just traveled a 20 kilometers out of 120, and I'm at the beautiful bridge in Okazaki. Yes, beautiful bridge, beautiful river, and a beautiful city. So stay tuned for more beautiful and interesting places in this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, I've just seen a beautiful Japanese structure. This one, it's like in Kyoto. Yes, that's so beautiful. Look at that. A vista from the Juji Temple to Okazaki Castle. So Okazaki City. Look at that. So, すごいね。Konnichiwa, minasan. I already traveled almost 30 kilometers. So yeah, let's go. Very nice view, very nice place. Sugoi. Look at the rice. A very beautiful village. I will try to find a Family Mart or 7-Eleven or a Lawson so that I can take my lunch. I will be depending on the convenience right now because I don't bring any food at me. Oh, I want to live here. Very peaceful. Look at the view. On this climb, I just average 14 kilometers an hour. It's so peaceful. And the weather is good. It's not raining. Very nice view. Back in my place in the Philippines, there were so many lands which are uncultivated, but here in Japan, even their backyard has plants, has vegetables. Yeah, and it's not just farmers, but most of the citizens here grow their plants and eat their plants, and grow their plants and eat it. Sometimes the vegetables is, but not really sometimes, always vegetables are so cheap because they grow plants or vegetables in here. Konnichiwa, minasan. Hello. So I just arrived in the Toyota City after a long climb in the Okazaki, which is the 1000 meter of elevation. That's so tiring, and by the way, look at the farms, the rice fields here in Toyota. So look at that. And I already traveled 40 kilometers, so 80 kilometers remaining. So let's go. Oh, even though I stay here already long, but Japan really is amazing. It has so many beautiful views and beautiful farms. Yes, and most of all, the people are respectful and kind. Join me as I complete this adventure. So I stopped over here at the Family Mart to buy ubento. Suasen. I will buy one Pocari. Stickers. お願いします。いらないです。はい、お願いします。いただきます。So it has meat, rice, and then some spaghetti. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm just done eating. So I'm going to continue with my ride. So I'm still at 77.8 kilometers. So I still have a long way to go. And enjoy the view. Thank you. So this is a 10% gradient. I think my rear tire is lack of air. My bike has decreased its responsiveness. So 600 meters of climb to go. So I kind of compare the Tour de France riders. It's not easy. It's so hard, but that's not really the hardest part. I think their pacing is insane. Oh, look at that. Konnichiwa. Oh. Oh. Can you hear my breathing? This is the climb that I want. Wow. Oh. I don't have time to recover. What's there? Huh. Wow, that's so steep. Whew. I almost about to give up there, but yeah, don't give up. There you go. There's still a climb. You can do it. Wow. Wow. Almost there. Time to recover. Ooh. Ooh. Time to recover. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. That was challenging. Ooh. Okay. We have a 10% downhill up right here. We need to recover. Jesus. It's downhill. Wow, downhill. Wow, ine. %, downhill. I must be careful and I must not stay on the most left because there are so many sand and stone. It can cause me an accident, and I must maintain the speed of 30 so that I can react to these hairpins, the curves. Wow. Another 12%. We are on the downhill spree. So it said here that 40 kilometers, so I must follow that so that I will not overshoot. Another 12%. Wow. I have time to recover in this downhill. So nice. 40. Wow, the view is very good. 45. I must decrease my speed. I must follow the rules. So right here. Wow, very nice. So I just finished most of the uphills. So I'm already 347 of elevation remaining. Up to 66.6 kilometers to go. So good luck to me and enjoy the view. Thank you. I'm already at the 50-kilometer mark, and yeah, I'm so tired because of the elevation. I didn't expect that it's really that high and so challenging. And yeah, I will finish this ride. So I still have 49.9 kilometers remaining. So I'm still at the Toyota, and I will see you in 20 kilometers to go. Bye. So I arrived at the Cranky George, which is very famous here during autumn and fall. It's because of the trees and cherry blossoms. Yeah. So this is the famous red bridge here in Cranky George, as you can see. Yeah. Actually, during autumn or fall, this right here, this road cannot be ridden a bicycle. It's because too many people trying to take pictures here, and right now it's almost summer. Only Japanese people are trying to go in here, trying their daily chores. Yeah, I tried to cycle around a little bit. Yeah. This is the famous I don't know the name of the tree, but it changed the leaves colors into red during fall. And there is also color yellow. This green here will be turned into red. Yes. And I'll be heading home. That's all. And I still have 47 kilometers to go, but I will conserve more energy as much as possible because my legs already start to feel pain. It's because of the climb that I did today. So I will go back to you at the 40 kilometers. Bye. Konnichiwa, minasan. Hello everyone. So I am already at the 38 kilometer to go here, and I still have remaining climb. So enjoy the view as I navigate these remaining kilometers. So I'm already at the 19.3 kilometers. So I already traveled about 101 kilometers, and I've already finished all of the climbs. So right now it's raining, so I will update you when I arrive at my apartment, and I will try to move fast as possible because this rain might get stronger sooner. So ja. Good evening, everyone. So I am already about to arrive in my apartment. It's already 902 meters. Yes, right there. And and I thank God that the weather cooperates and it didn't rain. Yeah. So good evening, guys. I already arrived at my apartment, and if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. Thank you, guys. So basically this is me after the ride. It's because my apartment is still on the 4th floor. Yes.